Make a great choice today with
the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, headlights auto off, remote trunk release. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.